Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to a REALME Pad. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Then tap on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. From this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to select receive on REALME and send on an Android. Following that, click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one song. Choose send and tap on got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on REALME Pad, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on receive. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, my song was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!